this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another boot splitting test between iPhone 16 Pro Max black version with iPhone 16 Pro Max desert gold version. The similar phone with the similar quantity of RAM and storage, that is 256 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. We're gonna check which version can boot faster. So here we go, 1, 2 and 3. Apple logo appears at the same time almost. iPhone 16 Pro Max black version load faster. Perhaps it has less application inside, this has little bit more. But to be confirmed, what can we do? We can close the phone, check everything, close here, and we'll try one more time. Here we go. Leave this one here, this one too. So we'll change hand. So here we go, one more time, 1, 2 and 3. Apple logo almost at the same time. So iPhone 16 Pro Max black version is a clear winner over desert gold version. Maybe depend on the software, what you have inside or other things. It depend on that, but both are the great phones at the same time. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.